Good morning, student. Rather than calling you good morning, student, good morning, my future web designer. Yes, you are my future web designer because now we have reached the last part of our HTML, that is a frame. And once we will learn this easily, you are able to upload your own web pages and easily you can design your own website. So let's start with our frames. Now already in my last video I have told you how we will create two different pages, that is a frame 1 and frame 2. So already I am having these two pages. Now within this video section we will learn how we will divide that document window into two frames vertically. So I am having one more frames page. Last time we have mentioned over here attribute, that is a rows. Now instead of rows we will mention it over here calls. Calls is nothing but columns. Now over here we will divide our frame 1 and frame 2 vertically. And so I will save this page with the name frames2.html. Now suppose I want 20 and 50 per 80%, so that you can do over here. Let's save the changes and we will view our output through our browser. So this is my frames 2. Yes, frames 2. This one, this is simple page, this is a frames 2. So you can see this page get divided vertically. If you want 50-50%, that is also possible, that is a 50 and make it over here 50. How you want, you can decide with the help of this attribute, that is a calls. So over here we are dividing the document window into two frames vertically. Now we will move towards the next part of the frame, that is frames are basically created by using the HTML tag, as everyone is aware about it. So there can be any number of frames on a single web page, because already I have explained you how we will insert the frame vertically as well as horizontally. So n number of pages, web pages we can include within the single frame. So the frame is working like a tray. Basically within the tray what we are putting, mug of coffee, bread, knife, butter, am I right? So like that way the frame is there. So multiple n number of web pages we can arrange within that, and they are further subdivided into the pages. So the frames, if the frames you can specify the size of the first frame in percentage, then the second frame can be also taking the remaining part. Now over here if I am giving the percentage 50, so ultimately frame 2 will occupy 50% of that area. But suppose if I want to put one more frame over here, okay, so over here what we have to do, we have to use the asterisk sign. So instead of percentage value we will use the asterisk sign. Means in the frame, for example in the frame we have just created the frame set column. Okay, so let's assume this frame set column, let's assume 20% I am giving. So over here I have to give the, rather than this asterisk sign, means what, it will take the vice, either you can give the vice versa also, means asterisk 20%. So choice is yours how you want to divide that. Okay, so here the asterisk sign take the proportion size of the remaining part of the document window. The whole size is not specified in the percentage value. So let's start practically so you will get the proper idea. Now already I am having these two frames, that is a frame 1 and frame 2. Okay, so within this only we will do. Now over here I will just save it with some another name, that is frames3.html. Okay, now over here, for example, I have already told you vice versa also you can use. For example, asterisk, comma, 70%. Now over here, suppose I am using frame src, that is a frame 1. Okay, now this I am dividing, for example, let's assume rows. So within the row, frame 1 I have adjusted. Now over here, one more tag I will use, that is a frame set calls equal to. Now over here we will use 50%, comma, asterisk sign we will use over here. Okay, and we will complete this double quoting. Now over here you can see first frame set is a row, and within that we are using frame 1. Next my frame set is a column. Over here we are using frame 2, as well as we will put one more frame src. Now over here we will insert some other page, or maybe if you want you can insert the image also. So choice is yours, either you can use the image or HTML page. So I will use over here image also, so you will get the idea about the image also. Okay, now I already have closed one frame set. One more frame set I have to close, because two frame set I have used. For one is for row and second one is for column. So let's save the work and we will view this page. I will close this. Now we will view this page through browser, that is a frames 3. So this is my frames 3 page. So you can see over here frame 1. Yeah, this is my page. So this is occupying the remaining part of my web page. So it is just leaving the 70% area, and frame 1 get occupied row wise, and next two frames we are arranged column wise. So both are occupying the 50% area. Getting it? So like that way you can design. Suppose here we will see the another part of your frame. Till the time being you can just practice your frame. Thank you student for watching my video.